The Cadwell Cascade Surgical Studio CadX simulator can be utilized by both trainers and trainees. The student or trainee may use the simulator for self-guided learning, whereby the trainee adjusts parameter within the control panel to experience likely outcomes in a controlled environment or to simply see what happens. For a self-guided session, the user starts Surgical Studio in simulation mode, then starts a recording the same as in an actual case. Once the case is started, the user can click on the CadX control panel, which is the large X that is located on the recording toolbar. The CadX dashboard is automatically opened. The user then can make any anesthesia changes, technical setups, trace characteristics, or practice pedicle screw stimulation with the threshold mode. The user can then see the changes that occur in the appropriate modes. In this instance, we're going to give muscle relaxant. The modes showing the greatest changes will be the train of 4 and the motor evoked potentials. Click on the reset icon to set all changes back to the original settings. Also, an instructor may use the simulator with one or more trainees by manipulating the control panel to simulate a series of events. This could be achieved in a number of ways. 1. The instructor starts a case as recorder and connects a second monitor and drags the control panel out of view, only displaying the recording screen to the trainee or trainees. The instructor can then make changes in the CadX control panel without the other participants being able to see the control panel. The second way is a trainee starts a recording. The instructor connects to the case via CAD link or direct connect as if they are the reviewer. The trainee then opens the CadX control panel and assigns the instructor as the owner of the control panel by clicking on the gear in the upper right-hand corner of the control panel. The owner of the control panel is shown in the footer. Use the drop-down menu to assign ownership of the control panel to any connected user. The instructor decides whether to hide the control panel from the other connected users. This is done by clicking on the Hide Connection box. The trainee or trainees can then communicate what changes may have taken place and what effect has the most likely been changed. During this time, the chat and event log entry are fully supported, just like in an actual case. This means that the reviewer and the monitorist can enter events and have two-way chat. Again, click on the reset icon to set all mapping back to the original arrangement.